Guys, so this is an old outlet, and as you guys can see, these guys are plugged in right in here. The only way to take them out is using a screwdriver. So we're gonna use a screwdriver, and up here you guys will notice these small holes. There's one in the bottom as well right here, and then each one of those has a hole right on top or below. So all you have to do is press down with your screwdriver right here in this hole. So right here on the hole, we're gonna insert our screwdriver. Gonna press down, and then with the other hand you can just take this out. It's not gonna pop out that easy. Some may pop out easier than the others. It depends on the length that they left this, but in general you just have to pull it out and pressing it at the same time. So once again, I just hold it in with my finger and then I pull it out. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.